A very good morning to each and everyone. How are you all doing?
I am fine, thank you.
Okay, very good. My dear students, today being a Friday, we will be going ahead with one of the grammar worksheets. Yes, one of the grammar worksheets. Yes. So the first worksheet that we are going to deal with today is worksheet number 11. Worksheet number 11. I have requested all of you to be ready with your grammar workbook. Are you ready with the same? Are you ready with the grammar workbook? Yes, very good. So, please take page number 35 of your grammar workbook. The title of worksheet number 11 is These and Those. What is it? These and those. Okay. In the previous worksheet, that is 9, we have understood the usage of the words this and that. Do you remember? This and that. Yes. THIS this and THAT that. Do you remember the usage of this and that? The usage of this and that? When we have one thing which is near us, one thing, and it is near us, we use the word this to speak or write about that thing. Yes or no? Yes. And when there is one thing which is far away from us, far away, we use the word that. Got it? Do you remember that? This and that, usage of the words this and that. Now, today we are going to understand the usage of these and those. THESE, these, and THOSE, those. Now, the difference between, I'm going to share the screen and I'll explain it to you. All right. The difference between this and these is very simple. This is to be used only when we are speaking or writing about one thing which is near us, right? And when there are two things or more things near us, we use the word these. 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 Okay. And one more thing that we learned in worksheet number 10 is singular and plural, right? Singular and plural. Okay. Now, Elvin, unmute and tell me, when we are speaking or writing about only one thing, what do we call it as? Singular or plural? Singular, yes. Singular, single, singular means only one thing. And Sai, unmute. When we speak or write about two or more things of a kind, what do we call them as? Singular or plural? Two or more things.
Plural.
Plural, yes, plural. 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 Please repeat the word, Sai. Plural.
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 Plural. Rel. Plural. Oh, yes. Okay. Very good. Now, imagine that this is a ball. This is a ball. And this is a girl. Okay. Imagine that this is a girl and this is a ball. Now, I'm going to do another girl. And I will draw a ball which is far from the girl. Now, have a look at this image. There is a girl, there is a ball, only one ball. Is the ball near the girl or far from the girl, Shiza? Unmute and tell me. This first one, is it near the girl or far from the girl? The ball?
Here.
Near, yes. So what would we use for this? This so that? To speak or write about this? This, yes. And this ball, the second one, it is near or far from the girl? Shiza, the second one, is it, sorry? Is it near the girl or far from the girl?
Far.
Far. So what will I use this so that?
That.
That, very good. Okay. Now, okay, thank you, Shiza. Good effort. Once again, I'm trying to draw a girl. And this time, I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3 balls. Ritik Sunil, unmute. Ritik Sunil, please unmute.
Yes,
Here,
ma'am.
here we can see in picture number 1, we can see that there is only one ball near the girl. So we use the word this to speak or write about the ball. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. But in picture number 3, we can see that there are 1, 2, and 3 balls near the girl. Yes?
Yes.
So what should we use for that?
These.
These, yes. These. These. We have to use the word these when we speak about 2 or more things which are near us. 2 or more things which are near us.
Thank you,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, very good, Ritik. Thank you. Good effort. Now, the fourth picture. Again, I'm trying to draw a girl. And this time there are 3 balls which are far from the girl. So what will we use for them? Alna, unmute. Tell me, what should I use? This, that, these, and
Those.
those. Yes, very good. Those, those. When we speak about 2 or more things which are far from us, we use the word those. We use the word those.
Those.
Is it clear to you all now?
Yes.
One thing which is near us, we use the word this.
This.
One thing which is far from us, we use the word that.
That.
Then 2 or more things which are near us, we use the word these. These. And 2 or more things which are far from us, we use the word those.
Those.
Those. Clear?
Yes.
Is it clear to you all? Everybody
Yes,
understood?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Now I have a question. Oh. We discussed about singular and plural, right? Again, we are going to do that here so that things become clearer to us. Singular and plural. Now, the first word is this. One thing which is near us. The next word is that. One thing which is far from us. Now, I want Lakshana to unmute and tell me what will be the plural for this. I'll give you a clue again. Don't worry. This means one thing which is near us, right? So the plural will be the word that we use for two or more things that are near us. What is that word? We discussed that just now. What word do we use to speak about two or more things that are near us?
These.
These. Very good. Can you tell me the spelling?
T-H-E-S-E.
E. These. So the plural for this is these. Understood?
These.
I want everybody to repeat.
Yes.
This, these.
This.
Sai,
These.
repeat. This, these.
This. These.
This, these.
This. These.
Everybody must repeat. This, these.
This. These.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Lakshana. Good effort. Sankalp,
Thank you, ma'am.
unmute. Welcome. Sankalp, unmute. Yes. The next word is that. And when do we use that? When we speak or write about one thing which is far from us, right? So what will be the plural for that? Two or more things that are far from us. What is the word? What is the word? For two
That.
or more things. No, that is for one thing which is far from us. So two or more things far from us. Which word do we use? These, those.
Those.
Those, yes. Those. So the plural of that is those. Plural of that is those. This, these, that, those. Come on, repeat everybody. This, these, that, those. Okay. Now I'm showing you two books. Okay, one book, it is in my hand. One book is there in my hand. So how should I say the sentence? How should I say the sentence? I have one book in my hand. How should I say? Yes, Ryan, Salish, unmute. How should I say? Yes, Ryan. This. Say the sentence. This is a
Book.
Yes, say it again.
This is a book.
This is a book. Okay, good. Now I have two books in my hand and both are near me, right? So how should I say? Sorry?
This.
These. Spelling?
T-H-E-S-E.
Very good. Say the complete sentence. These are?
These are books.
Very good. Very good. Now, if this book is far from me, only one book, how will I say? Abhinav, unmute. Thank you, Ryan. Good effort.
Yes.
Imagine that this book is far from me, one book. How will I speak about it?
That is a book.
Very good. Now imagine that both these books, two books, Are far from me. How will I say about them?
Those are books.
Very good. Those are books. Got it? Is it clear to you? Now I'll share the screen once again and we will do a few more examples. Then I think things will be clearer to you. All right? Are you ready? Okay. Those who don't have the grammar workbook with them are requested to take the grammar workbook. Keep your pencil and eraser as well with you, because we will be writing it now. Worksheet number 11, page number 35. Are you ready, my dear ones? Okay. As I said, the topic for worksheet number 11 is these and those. T-H-E-S-E, these. T-H-O-S-E, those. The plural of this is these and the plural of that is those. Got it? Now, let us revise it once again. We have already learned the usage of words this and that. The plural of this is these. As we all know, we use the word this when we speak about one thing which is near us. And when we speak about two or more things which are near us, we use the word these. T-H-E-S-E. The next word is that. We use that to speak or write about one thing which is far from us. Yes? And we use those when we speak or write about two or more things which are far from us. Right? The plural of this is these and the plural of that is those. Are you clear with this now? Okay. Now see, we can see a boy standing near a pot. So the sentence is, this is a pot. In the next picture, there are 3 pots and the boy is standing near the pots. So the word will be these and the sentence will be, these are pots. These are pots. Okay? You must make sure that whenever you are writing the words these or those, the thing that should be mentioned, the thing that is mentioned there should be in plural form. Pots, birds, plural forms. Okay? You have to pay attention to that. Now see, there is a bird which is far from the girl. One bird. So the word used is that. That is a bird. That is a bird. Now in the second picture, we can see 3 birds far from the girl. So she is saying, those are birds. Those are birds. Clear? The plural of that is those. The plural of that is those. Understood? Yes? Are you ready to solve the other examples? Okay. Ananya, unmute. Let us see question number A. Fill in the blanks with these or those. Yes. We can see a plate of sweets near the boy. So what will we use? These or those? The plates and the sweets are near.
These.
Very good. These. Very good. So write T-H-E-S-E. Make sure that you write the first letter as a capital letter because that is the first letter or word of the sentence. Okay? Good effort, Ananya. Thank you. Ananya, why don't you sit and learn? I can see that you're lying on the bed. Please sit straight. Devarsh, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Try the second one. We can see a boy and we can see 3 buses which are far from the boy. So what should we use? These or those?
Those.
Very good. Spelling?
THOSE.
Very good, Devarsh. Well done. Thank you. Sarah, unmute. Sarah, unmute. See the next one, the third one. A girl with 3 toys near her. What would we use? These or those?
These.
These. Very good. Spelling?
THESE.
Yes. Very good, Sarah. Thank you. Elroy, unmute. Try the fourth one. A girl with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kites far from her. She is pointing towards the kites. Elroy, unmute. I think he is facing network issues. Okay, Krishang, unmute. Krishang, unmute. Try the fourth one. Krishang, unmute again. Yes. These or those?
Those.
Very good. Spelling?
THOSE.
Yes, THOSE. Those are kites. Very good, my dear. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Abel Anthony, unmute. Abel Anthony, unmute. Yeah, try the first one here. A girl is standing near 6 glasses. What should I use? These or those?
These.
Very good. Spelling?
THESE.
Very good. Very good. Thank you. Abel CB, unmute. Abel CB, yes. We can see a girl standing far from 5 men. 5 men are there and a girl is standing far from them. So what should we use? These or those? These or those?
Those.
Spelling?
Those.
Spelling, my dear. Yes.
THOSE.
Yes, very good. Those are men. Good effort, Abel. Thank you. Ishan Krishna, unmute. Try the next one. Dash are rabbits. We can see a girl standing far from 3 rabbits.
Do.
Yes, very good. Spelling?
THOES.
No, S-E.
SE.
THOSE. Okay, thank you, my dear. Rukma, unmute. Try the next one. We can see a boy standing near 3 books. A boy standing near 3 books. What must, sorry?
These.
Spelling?
THESE.
Very good. These are books. Good effort. Thank you. You're welcome. Naomika, unmute. Naomika, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, in question number B, we have to fill in the blanks with this, that, these, or those. Any 4 of these we have to use. Are you ready? So you must think and give me the answer. Okay, very good. Now, Naomika, we can see a dog sitting far from 3 bones. Far from 3 bones. So what should I use?
That.
3 bones are there. Far from 3 bones. 3. That we use for one thing which is far from us. Here 3 bones are there which are far from us or far from the dog. So what should we use? What should we use? That or those?
Those.
Yes. Tell me the spelling, Naomika. Say
Those.
S-E. Yes, very good. Did you understand the concept now?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Elroy, can you hear me now? Unmute. Here we can see a cat near a fish. Only one fish is there, which is near the cat. So, what should we use there? This, that, these, or those?
This.
Spelling?
This.
Very good. This, because there is only one fish which is near the cat. So we will use this. Well done, Elroy. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Fardeen, welcome. Fardeen, unmute. Try. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pens are there.
Yes, well,
There are 5 pens which are near the girl. The girl is touching them, right?
yes.
So 5 pens near the girl. What should we use?
This is a fish. This
No.
is a fish.
That is over, Fardeen. The next one, third. The girl near 5 pens.
These are pens.
Yes, very good. Spelling.
These
Spelling.
are pens.
Yeah, spelling of these.
These are pens.
Fardeen, can you tell me the spelling of the word?
T-H-E-S-E.
Yes, you are right. These are pens. Good effort, Fardeen.
T-H-E-S-E.
Okay, thank you. Good effort.
T-H-E-S-C.
Yes, I got it. Thank you. Okay.
T-H-E-S-C.
Okay, Fardeen. Thank you. Shankar, unmute.
E-S-C.
Okay, Fardeen. I
T-H-E-S-C.
understood. Yes, Shankar, unmute once again. Try once again. One time. Only one time. Shankar, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Then try this one. A man is standing far from one boat or a boat. So, which word should I use there?
That.
Sorry?
That.
Spelling?
T-H-A-T.
Yes, T-H-A-T. Very good, Shankar. Thank you. Avish, unmute. Avish, unmute. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Try the next one. A girl standing far from a cow. A girl standing far from a cow. What should I use?
That.
That. Very good. Spelling?
T-H-A-T.
Yes, very good. Thank you. Good effort. Okay, my dear. Jeffreyon, can you hear me? Jeffrey on. Can you hear me? Unmute. Jeffrey on, unmute. I think he cannot hear me. Rukuma, unmute. Try the last one, page number 36.
Yes, ma'am.
A girl is sitting near a hen. What should I use?
This.
Very good. Spelling?
T-H-H-I-S.
Yes, very good. T-H-I-S. This. Okay. Is it understood by you all? Usage of this, that, these, or those. Is the usage understood? Clear to you all? Those who have completed, raise your hands. May I stop sharing? Those who have completed, let me stop sharing. Those who have completed, please show me your grammar workbook now. Very easy, right? Okay, good. Good, good, good. Jeffrey on. I was trying to call you, but you were facing network issues, I think. Yes, very good. Elvin, why is your video off? Okay, good effort. Those who have shown me, please close your book and keep it on the table. I believe this concept is clear to you all. Yes? I want everybody to read all the examples of worksheet 9 and 11 today itself. Both the worksheets, 9 and 11. Will you? Yes? Okay, very good. So my dear students, with this we have come to the end of today's session. Thank you very much. See you in the next class. Bye-bye. Bye.